Good morning class. Today I am going to teach tense. I have divided this tense into three blocks. The first one is formation of the verb forms and identify tense in a sentence. Second, present tense in detail. And in third block, past tense in detail. In today's class, I am going to teach you tense and the formation of the verb forms and identifying the sentences. Today's topic is tense. As all of you know that a tense is the most important aspect of any language. That may be Odia, Hindi, Bengali or English. But very often we have a wrong idea that time is tense. But that is not true. Rather, time is universal and tense is linguistic. When we will think of the division of time, there are three kinds like present time, past time and future time. So how can we define tense? Tense is defined as the time of action shown by the verb forms. There are two types of tense, that is present tense and past tense. And future is not a tense, it is a time. So there are two types of tense and there are four divisions. So present tense has four divisions like present simple, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. Continuous is also known as the progressive tense also. The same way, past tense is divided into four categories like simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. Viewers, always we have a problem how to identify the sentence belong to which category, whether it is the simple, whether it is continuous, perfect or perfect continuous. So I have preferred this table. With the help of this table, we can recognize that the sentence belongs to which tense. So see here about the present tense and I have prepared the chart with the help of the verb eat. Its verb has the four forms: verb 1, verb 2, verb 3 and verb 4. Go, went, gone and going. Like eat, ate, eaten, eating. Like write, wrote, written, writing. So verb 1 means known as the main form of the verb or which is also known as the base form of the verb. Verb 2 means the past form of the verb and verb 3 means the past participle form of the verb. And verb 4 means that is the present participle of the verb. So here, formation of the simple. In present tense, just we have the three person. First person, second person and third person. And each person has two numbers, that is singular number and plural number. As we know, first person, it has the singular and plural. Singular is I and plural we. So whenever we will form the simple present, the sequence is subject plus verb 1. Verb 1 means the main form of the verb. Like, but in whenever we form the third person singular number, it always takes the S form. S, the verb has two forms, that is base form and S form. Base form is go and S form is goes. Like base form is eat and S form is eats. Base form is used with the first person plural, second person and third person plural number. But S form is used with the third person singular number. So whenever we think I eat, that may be subject or any noun or pronoun plus verb 1 means it belongs to the present simple or simple present. Whenever we think in a sentence each am are plus I verb plus ing form, then we will think about the continuous tense. If it is each am are plus verb plus ing, then it belongs to the present continuous tense. Like I am eating, we are eating, you are eating, you are eating, he, she, it, each eating, they are eating. And the sequence is subject plus each am are plus verb plus ing form. Next, that is perfect tense. Wherever we form like had plus or have plus verb 3 or which is known as the past participle tense of the verb, then that belongs to the perfect tense. Like I have eaten, we have eaten, you have eaten, you have eaten, he, she, it has eaten, they have eaten. And the sequence is subject or any noun or pronoun plus has or have plus verb 3 or which is also known as the past participle of the verb. And the fourth form of the verb is the present perfect continuous. Whenever we think about the perfect continuous, if the permission of the sentence has or have plus been plus verb 4, and verb 4 means that is present participle, means I have been eating, we have been eating, you have been eating, you have been eating, he, she has been eating, and they have been eating. So present perfect continuous tense we can form with the help of the has or have plus been plus verb 4, and verb 4 is also known as the present participle of the form. Always remember that verb 1 means the base form or the main form of the verb, and it is always go with the simple present tense. So our next past tense. Past tense, it has its 4 divisions like simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. The formation of the verb forms. Whenever we think about the simple, which is past simple, means I ate. Whenever we think subject plus verb 2. Verb 2 means the past tense of the form, means I ate, we ate, you ate, he, she, it ate, they ate. So here, whenever we are using the verb 2, means we should not use the S form in the third person singular number. It will take only the past form of the verb. It has no S form. It will take the past tense of the form, that is ate. He ate, she ate, it ate. So subject plus verb 2 belongs to the past simple. Continuous. As I said in present tense, is, am, are plus verb plus ing form is present continuous. So about past continuous, whenever we use was or were plus verb plus ing form, like I was eating, we were eating, you were eating, you were eating, he was eating, she was eating, it was eating, they were eating. So subject or all nouns or pronoun plus was or were plus verb plus ing form belongs to past continuous. Then perfect tense, past perfect tense. Whenever we get had plus the third form of the verb, then it belongs to past perfect tense. How? I had eaten, we had eaten, you had eaten, you had eaten, he, she, it had eaten, they had eaten. Subject plus had plus verb 3. The sequence of past perfect tense is subject plus had plus verb 3. Verb 3 means the past participle of the verb. And next, perfect continuous, that is past perfect continuous. Whenever we form the sentence with the help of subject plus had plus been plus verb 4, which is also known as the present participle, like I had been eating, we had been eating, you had been eating, he, she, it had been eating, they had been eating. So had plus been plus eating, that is verb 4, it belongs to perfect continuous tense. By all this table, children, we came to know that the tense, the verb forms plays a very important role in the formation of the tense. We have reached to end of our lesson, that is tense block 1. I hope you have understood this. Please, before leaving the class, I am obliged to all my viewers, my learners, to give me that much support and make my channel successful. Thank you, viewers.